Hey guys, so this video is going to be all about improving as a beginner trader, and I apologize if I get a little emotional about this because I get so tired of seeing beginner traders doing all the wrong things, not really putting the effort in, and still throwing massive size around. I mean, these are beginner traders that are trying to learn the ropes and losing hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, and maybe per day. So, if you're a beginner trader, where would you go to learn? And I would argue that SMB Capital or another prop firm of similar stature would be a great place to go and learn. So what is SMB Capital going to give you that you can't really get elsewhere? So I'm going to go through that with you on this notepad. And the first thing is SMB Capital or any other prop firm, they're going to make you journal and track your trades. And without this, you're not going to be able to see what's your most profitable setup. So, for sure, when you're a beginner, you're going to be trading all kinds of different strategies. You're going to be trying to see what fits your personality, what works, and that's a good thing. That's exactly what you want to be doing. You need to figure those things out, but you shouldn't be doing it with size. You should be risky. When you're a beginner day trader, you're gambling. Every trade that you take has a 50% chance of winning, 50% chance of losing, and in fact, it's probably actually skewed to the downside. So what you should be doing is risking no more than what you would risk on a coin flip. For me, that's like $1. Why would I ever want to risk more than 50% on something that I don't have an edge on? So they're going to make you journal and track your trades because you need to find your edge. And without journaling and tracking your trades, how are you going to find that? 2 is they're going to make you record your trading sessions and they're going to make you review them every day. So ask yourself, are you doing this every day? And if not, you're not putting the effort in. You're just not putting the time in. So why are you even doing this? Why are you risking your money if you're not going to put the effort in? You need to be recording your trading sessions, playing them back and saying to yourself, why did I take that trade? Is that the right spot to be taking a trade? How could I have perfected my entry? How could I have perfected my exit? And looking honestly back at your trades and saying, yeah, I made money on this trade, but was it a good trade? What was I looking at? What was I seeing that made me enter this trade? Sure, it worked out, but was that the right decision? Number 3, the thing that they're going to give you is they're going to give you access to their profitable traders and their strategies. So you'll be able to see all of their multi-million-dollar traders. You'll be able to ask them questions. You'll be able to see exactly when they're in trades, all that stuff. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I mean, that's a very nice perk, but you can also get this on YouTube or through courses. I mean, it's out there. It's available. You can watch me trade every single day for free. Now, I'm not making millions of dollars, and I'm not saying I'm the best trader in the world. There's guys way, way better than me, but I'm saying it is out there. So find the people who have perfected this craft, who do it the best. As with anything, if you want to learn how to play video games at a very high level, you're going to go on Twitch, you're going to find the best streamers, you're going to go watch them. So do the same thing with trading. Find those profitable traders, copy their strategies, and likely you're not going to be trading their exact strategy. You're going to be trading some kind of variation. You're going to make it your own, but at least you have something to go off of. Okay, number 4 is they're going to force you to scale down when you're in a drawdown. It makes sense, right? If you're losing money, why would you scale up? The natural progression for a beginner day trader would be, oh shit, I just lost so much money, I need to scale up. Well, first of all, you shouldn't have been risking the amount of money that makes you feel that way, because you shouldn't be getting emotional about it. If you're risking $1, which you should be until you have an edge, you shouldn't feel emotional enough to have to scale up to make your money back. It's $1, who the fuck cares? So they're going to force you to scale down during drawdown. So if you're risking, let's say you scale up from $1, now I start risking $10 per trade. If you can do it with $1 and you can be consistent and you have an edge, you can do it with $10. It's not a problem. You could probably do it with $100, but start with 10, right? So we've taken that next step. And now let's say you get to 10 and now you have like 3 bad days in a row. I have to be thinking to yourself, is this normal? Based on my statistics, is 3 red days normal? How big are these red days? And if you say to yourself that this is not normal, you need to scale down. You shouldn't be scaling up. You should be taking your foot off the gas and say, something has changed. I need to take a step back and assess what's going on. What has changed? Get some green days under my belt and then scale back up. Number 5 is they're going to give you access to psychological coaches, mentors, just in other coaches and people who can help you through any of the questions that you have. This is something that would be great to have for anybody having a mentor or coach. It's going to make your progression that much faster. And you can find these, it doesn't have to be at a prop firm to get mentors and coaches. Reach out to people on Reddit or just people that you trust on Reddit, whether it's however you find them, Reddit, Twitch, Twitter, YouTube. See if you can get in touch with some of these people and just ask them the questions that you have. It's going to be very valuable for sure. Okay, the last one here is going to be probably the most important. No averaging in. You cannot average down into a position. You cannot average down at all. And the reason is every time you average down, you are increasing your win percentage on the trade. And you might say, oh, that's such a great thing. Yes, and you'll have tons of winners, you'll have tons of green days, and then you'll have a massive, massive red day. So you might say to yourself, oh man, I've had 2 weeks of green days. We're good. This strategy works. We're going to scale up. You're going to scale up, and eventually you're going to have that one day that wipes out all of those green days. It will happen. So every time you're in a position and it goes against you and you say, I should just buy more, don't. Just sell. Just sell right there, because every time you average in, you're wasting your time. Now you need to gather that much more statistics. Now it's not 2 weeks. Now it's a couple months because you've averaged in. So if you're going to take this seriously, if you want to take day trading seriously, you cannot average in. One, one out. Once you figure that out, once you've perfected that, I'm saying months, years down the line, now we can talk about averaging in. It's just too dangerous to be doing. It affects the statistics too much. You're going to get bad readings, and you're not going to be able to use those statistics to help you scale up in the future or to prove that you have some kind of edge. Averaging down is not an edge. I hate to say it. So look, take small size, start off really small, and get in with, I don't care. You didn't say don't trade at lunchtime. Go trade at lunchtime and do it with $1. Who cares? Learn when is the right time to take a trade, when is the wrong time to take a trade, what setups work for you, which ones don't, and then assess your mental state. Make sure you're not scaling up after you lose. Make sure you're scaling down. These are all things that can be done, that you can do for yourself, and you're probably not doing right now. So don't go and say, oh, well, I need to join a prop firm, or I need this course or whatever, to be profitable. No, you have total control over yourself becoming profitable right now, and you're just not making the effort. So the faster that you can admit that to yourself, the quicker you will become profitable in the stock market. So thanks for watching this video. I know it's a little much. I don't mean to get in your face about this stuff, but it's just how it is, and it needs to be said. So I hope you take this stuff with a little grain of salt and you can glean something from it. Anyways, that's it for me. I wish you guys good luck out there, and I'll catch you in the next video.